The antenna impedance. Matching interactive calculator determines the component values needed to match different impedances in RF systems. Let's walk through the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose L-Network Matching Series-Shunt, L-Network Matching Shunt Series, Pi Network Matching, T-Network Matching, VSWR and Reflection Coefficient, or Quarter Wave Transformer. For this demonstration, I'm using L-Network Matching Series-Shunt. Enter your source impedance Z's in ohms, your load impedance real RL in ohms, and your load reactance XL in ohms. Then input your operating frequency in megahertz and your desired Q factor. The impedance 1, Z1, and impedance 2 Z2 fields are also available for other calculation modes. Here's a practical example. With source impedance of 50 ohms, load impedance real of 75 ohms, load reactance of 10 ohms, operating frequency of 144 megahertz, and desired Q factor of 5. The calculator shows our network configuration is L-Network Series-Shunt with excellent match quality. The series component requires an inductance of 28.02 nanohenries, while the shunt component needs 117.23 nanohenries. The resulting VSWR is 1:500:1 with a reflection coefficient of 0.2000 and return loss of 13.98 dB. This tool simplifies impedance matching calculations for antenna systems. Find the link in the description below.